Hello everyone, I hope you are well. In today's video, I'm going to sell my luxury bags. If you don't know me yet, please consider subscribing if you are also a bag lover. This being said, I'm going to link down below the website, well, my website, where you can buy these bags and accessories I'm going to show you. And I'm going to explain everything in English. I have also a French YouTube channel in case you want it. I'm based in Europe, but I ship worldwide. And if you have any questions related to customs, taxes and everything, feel free to contact. Okay, so everything that I source is usually from France. And here we have the third bag that I want to sell, which is a Paris limited edition Chanel bag. The particularity on this bag, it has like a silver and gold hardware. This is pretty nice on this type of bags. This is a bag that is super, super cute. You can either wear it here on shoulder, or you can wear it as a crossbody bag. I'm very short. I'm 161 centimeters. If you're taller, I'm not sure it will fit you to wear it as a crossbody bag. Before, bags were not meant to be as crossbody bags. This is not the way women used to wear their bags. So this is actually pretty recent. So usually back then they were wearing like this also, or on the shoulder with the longer strap. Okay, so this one, as you could hear, is kind of a little vintage. Beautiful leather, black leather for this one. For the corners are in good condition, just a little bit rubbed. I'm gonna try to show you and take some time for it. This is a beautiful bag, and you have a back pocket here. Under the bag is quite in good condition, I have to say. Hardware is just a little bit like tarnished, used a bit. This is not a brand new one. I love it. And oh my God, did you know, have you seen that in store? They released again quite a similar one, but the price is insane. I've tried it. It's a smaller one. This one is way bigger, and they released it again on the website. They are releasing again some of the bags. So this one is a double flap. This is a very good news. The leather is not brand new, but is in good condition. So this is the inside that is in good condition. As you can see, leather has some signs of wear. You have a little trace here, black little trace. We have the zipper pocket that is in gorgeous condition. You have all the photos on the website as usual. We have the little card and the hologram. And this is a bag. I'm going to try to find the year of the bag. I believe it's 86, 88, I believe. I will put you everything on the screen in case to be sure. And here also you have another pocket that is in great condition. This bag comes with the authenticity card, our certificate, and the entropy certificate as well. We can feel like the leather was taken care, which is good, hydrated. And the price for this one is 2,449 euro. I will try, I'm just saying try, to have the price in USD on the screen. When you go on my website, you have the USD price if you are from the US. We do ship worldwide, so either like you are an international buyer outside of Europe, feel free to contact us. We ship worldwide. Next, I have an Hermes item, and I'm quite sure you are going to love it. This is the first one that I have it. Well, the first one, I actually bought it for myself. So you will have the same as me. And this one is for you because I already have it actually. And oh, this one here. So as you can see, we have a belt from Hermes. We have a 2 little dust bag for the Kelly clasp. And we do have the Kelly belt in gold hardware. This is a perfect combination in my opinion. This is a unique size because you can choose to longer the belt or to shorten the belt also. So it fits to everyone. This is what's great about this one. So it's in amazing condition with the dust bag. You have very little trace of wear, but it's super mini scratches on the hardware because I tried to use it. I'm going to show you how it looks like on me, and it would actually fit perfectly. Here it's a little bit too big, so I'm going to show you how I do. So I'm just up, taking this here, up, I'm shortening it a little bit more, and this is how it looks like. This is great. I love it. This one is amazing, in great condition, and price is 1,190 euro. These ones are very hard to find in stores, so if you want to have it, go on the website, bamluxury.com. I have a little Dior that you are going to love it. The color is insane. This is a medium size. It's kind of a red gold champagne hardware with the strap. This is what I love about. We still have the sticker here, for example, here as well, I can see, and here too. So this is good. It was protected. You can see that the bag has the 4 little fits under the bag. I'm trying to show you as best as I can. We have a very good condition for this one. You have some little sparkle on the bag, but look, you still have the sticker also here. This is good, like very good. The corners are a little bit rubbed and a little bit darker, but almost nothing. This is quite an amazing bag. I'm trying to show you perfectly. Huh? And the inside has the zipper. This is very, very nice. So it comes with the strap and the entropy certificate also. I do the entropy certificate on this type of bag. Inside is a black fabric. You have a little zipper pocket, which is in great condition. Inside is also in great condition. And the year of the bag is 2013. 2013 for the bag, which has a very gray color in my opinion, and has a strap, which is quite good on this type of bags. And the price is insane, 2,090 euro. This is very good. I will try to put you on the screen the USD price. Do you prefer the USD price only, or also do you like another, like, for example, the UK price? I don't know if many British people are watching this YouTube channel. Let me know. And also if lots of Americans are watching this channel. So feel free to comment or to let me know. I'm not quite sure who's watching this channel so far. If I have more Americans, well, international people, European, you know, let me know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching here, for following a little bit what's happening here. It's a very, very good adventure. So hard, but so amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, I have another one. I have quite many bags today and quite amazing items to show you. So I have the bags. This is a Gucci one. I don't know if I had the invoice, but I have some papers from where it was bought. I have the dust bag, which is just here, and I have the entropy certificate for this one. So let's see what's hiding inside. Oh, yes, love it. We have the Grand Ophidia bag. So this is a bag that you can wear as a crossbody or as a pochette. This is so, so chic. Let's open it. I love it because when you open it, it's well closed. It has like metallic parts here. And I do have the strap, which is very, very good. The strap is so nice that you can fit inside the bag if you don't want to wear the strap. And you can wear the bag as a crossbody bag or as a pochette without the strap. That is very good. I love the bag. That is in great condition. I'm going to show you more closer, as this way you can have a look. This is so, so, so chic. Very, very cute. Corners are just a little bit rubbed, but it's almost nothing. This one, no. And on the back also, no. Like this one, very, very little. This one is this one, a little bit, but it's very, very minor. Otherwise, condition is great. And the inside is so nice. I also have like the little papers from the bag that is still attached. My client, I think, never used it. So the inside is in blue satin, very great condition. You have lots of different pockets, but it's very cool. Here also you have a larger one. You have some little trace of wear actually here, but it's very minor. And it's so nice. It's huge actually. It's very huge. It's a very good thing. And the price is 1,190 euro. This is a very good price, knowing the retail price, guys. If you want it, it's available. This is not really fabric. This part is actually canvas, kind of, Gucci Monogram Supreme canvas. And here is fabric. This is a very classical colors of Gucci. It's on the website. Next, I have this beautiful Monogram wallet from Louis Vuitton. This is the very first time I had this one, actually, the colorful one in black. Hardware has lost her luster, like it's less goldish, as you can see. The monogram canvas, we can see like the monograms are like less monogram. I don't know how to say. It starts to vanish a little bit. Corners are good. Here, a little bit dropped, as you can see. Otherwise, this is good. As you can see here also. Let's open it. So now I'm going to open it. The pressure button works a little bit less. It can be removed and changed. And I'm going to show you the inside of it now. Here, you have a stitching that is going off here a little bit and here too. Otherwise, a very good condition on the inside. So inside is very good, as you can see. Here too. Coin pocket section, here too. So this is a very good one. You also have pocket sections here. Like, it was used a little bit, but it's not a brand new one. It's a pre-loved. And the price is €335, but still in great condition. And this is the first time. This is a rare one. Complicated to find. I have another Chanel in case you missed the first one. This one is very different. And this one is a more vintage and classic. This is a single flap. This is a gold plated. And the condition is great for vintage. I'm going to show you the chain. So this is a Prussian button. As you can see, it's vintage. The price is crazy. Like, the price will be insane. For this one, I do have papers and the card. This one is kind of a vintage and beautiful. I'm first going to show you the inside, actually. So inside, you have a single flap, and you have the Bordeaux leather, I would say, with a little pocket. We have one little trace of fray here, but otherwise very good. We do have the hologram down below in the bag, and otherwise condition is so great. I'm going to show you the corners that are in such a good condition. I'm trying to show you with the light. It's not that easy. Back of the bag, very, very good for the year of the bag. I love it. Every information are on the website, on the project page. And you can wear this one here, or you could also wear it as a crossbody bag if you are like not too tall. I'm sorry. If you're tall, you do have, for example, from Chanel, the Gabrielle medium size. This one is way longer, for example. But I do have sometimes bags like this. And I don't know if I still have it, but the wallet on chain that I released last week, if it's still available on the website, this is way longer as well. And I'm just going to give you the price. Wow, price is insane. I also do have the entrepreneur certificate, but the price for this one is €1,990. This is crazy. Next bag is a Gucci bag. You're probably wondering how I got all these bags and what I'm selling them. These are not my personal bag anymore. These are bags from clients that I had, and they want also to sell them because I sell quite fast sometimes. So they want to sell them and they contact me in order to do it. So, because sometimes you maybe don't want to do the hassle to take the photos, description, answer to the people. And we do everything. We do authentication, photos. I say we because I also work with my partner in life. We work only the two of us. We are only two so far, but it's a great adventure. So this one is a Gucci, beautiful in fabric. You had the little attach here, Gucci. Fabric and leather. The leather parts are in amazing condition. I have to admit, it's insane. But also the bag is great. The corner here is a little bit more rubbed. For example, I'm trying to show you better. Here, a little bit too. And here it's better, actually. The fabric, a little bit. But otherwise, this is good. I'm going to check the inside. On the inside, it's good. So you can close the bag with here. And the inside has one little stain on the bottom. And then you have the zipper pocket. I'm just going to check the inside zipper pockets, if it has a stain or not. It's great. No stain. So this is a very good bag, and the price, I believe, is very, very, very insane. Price is €390, which is a very, very good price for a Gucci bag. And each time I'm releasing a Gucci bag, it goes sold out instantly. This is insane, so thank you so much. And the last but not the least, it's a very, very good one. First time I have it, I'm excited. I've been asked this bag so many times. It is here, and it's a full set with box, with this bag, with the invoice. It has everything, even the pockets inside. I believe this is a bag that was bought in Lyon in France. It was bought online, actually, on the website. So it's great. I had everything for this one, as you can see. Yes! As you can see, this is a Felicity pouch. I'm so beyond excited. And it's in great condition. I also have like all the little accessories, the little pouch that are inside. I'm so happy. And for this one, I have like, of course, the little chain. The bag, the condition of the bag is as new. Even like the hardware, as you can see, is perfect. The bag is as new, and even inside is great. I'm gonna remove everything. It's as new. The only thing about this one, and let me know also if you have the same issue. I had two pochettes. The first one was sold instantly to a client, so it's the first real one that I released on the website. The other one was in damier ebène, and I also had the issue with the odor. I think it's it's something that they use. I brought it back to the store, and if you have the invoice, they change it for you. You need to make sure in store, but the price is insane. Anyway, it's like the odor. I think they have an issue with like something in store, or I don't know what. You have everything here, for example. It's as new, like as new, and the price is 990 euro for the Félicie pouch. This is a crossbody, and this is a very good one. You can also decide to wear it as a pouch or anything. All the bags and accessories that I just showed you are on the website bamnaturestar.com. I ship worldwide. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me down below this video on Instagram, on TikTok, through the website. Also, you have my email. You have every information in case of. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for being here to watch this video. If you like this video, consider thumbs up this video, to click on the thumbs up and to subscribe. It's always a very good pleasure. It costs nothing to you, but it's a very great pleasure to have you here. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you very soon in another video. I'm gonna link here also 1 or 2 videos if you, in case you haven't watched them, feel free to do it. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bisous, bisous.